Hours ago, Clackamas County Health Officials issued a public health advisory to call attention to the fentanyl crisis in the county. Officials say more kids are both intentionally and unintentionally taking the drug, which can cause them to stop breathing within minutes. Fox 12's Mia Villanueva has more on the warning to parents.
Clackamas County health officials are warning parents of kids and teens being targeted on social media to buy and sell drugs. And they say many of those drugs are laced with fentanyl. Officials say between 2020 and 2021, fentanyl-related hospitalizations doubled in the county. They've now issued a public health advisory in hopes of preventing another person from overdosing.
Even sampling one pill can end their life.
That's the message Clackamas County health officials and their community partners are sharing in Tuesday's public health advisory on the dangers of fake pills and fentanyl poisoning. One of those community partners is Cheryl Sharkey, a nurse for the Oregon City School District, who also wrote the policy for Narcan to be on all district campuses and buses. Training on how to administer that drug will begin for educators on Wednesday.
It'll be all of our health room assistants at all of our elementary, middle, and high schools. And then we'll proceed by the end of the month to have all the Narcan kits in every facility.
Clackamas County health officials say opioid overdose hospitalizations increased 18 to 20% from 2020 to 2021. So why is the increase of fentanyl overdoses only being addressed now in 2022? Sharkey says the district started writing the policy for Narcan to be on campuses back in 2018, but it got put on hold because of the pandemic.
When we came back, we saw the trends escalating at an unprecedented rate of youth accessing these illegal pills.
How this public health advisory will impact enforcement and getting fentanyl off the streets is still unclear. And Clackamas County Sheriff's Office was not in attendance at Tuesday's meeting. But Sharkey says she is hopeful what they are doing at the school level will be impactful, as their efforts are being backed by testimonies of parents who found their child dead in bed after taking just one pill laced with fentanyl. One of those powerful testimonies coming from Michelle Stroh, a member on the Oregon City School Board. Fox 12 spoke with Stroh back in March about the loss of her son to an unintentional fentanyl overdose.
I remember walking up those stairs and I just had that dread of he's not answering when I call his name. I went to touch him and he was so cold. And he was clutching his heart.
The county says schools with students at risk of overdosing can contact them for naloxone, a drug that reverses the effects of overdose. For now, reporting from Clackamas County, I'm Mia Villanueva, Fox 12 Oregon.